To advance its next-generation drone warfare capabilities, the Indian Air Force will induct the Collaborative Long-Range Target Saturation Destruction System, a highly sophisticated unmanned aerial platform designed for autonomous takeoff, navigation, target acquisition, and payload delivery. Developed to operate seamlessly alongside manned fighter aircraft, this system marks a significant leap toward manned-unmanned teaming operations. By integrating AI-driven autonomy and precision targeting, the Collaborative Long-Range Target Saturation Destruction System will greatly enhance the Indian Air Force long-range strike, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, allowing for deeper penetration in contested environments while minimizing pilot risk and maximizing mission effectiveness.